Hi, Annabelle Williams from Fine & Country. Today I'm in Heathcote on the south side of Leamington Spa and Warwick, just 2 miles from both town centres. This property sits on a corner plot within walking distance to numerous green fields, great for walks on these slightly sunnier cold mornings. 10 Nightingale Avenue is a modern 3-bed property developed by David Wilson with ample parking for 3 cars. It sits in a lovely quiet neighbourhood with great access to the M40. Let's take a look inside to see what this practical family home has to offer. On the ground floor there is a lovely warm living area with French doors leading out to the garden. The dual aspect of this room allows natural light to shine through all day. There is also a separate WC. The large kitchen diner is fit with all new modern appliances, a double oven and a dishwasher. A great space for entertaining with another set of French doors opening out onto the garden. Stairs leading round to the first floor display a spacious landing with 3 double bedrooms and a large modern 3-piece bathroom, including bath with shower above. The main bedroom is a generous size and provides an ensuite bathroom incorporating a double shower cubicle, toilet and sink. To the rear of the property is access to the single garage through a lovely south-facing garden which provides a sun trap with the benefit of not being overlooked. Thanks for watching and I hope you enjoyed the tour. If you'd like any more information or to arrange a viewing then you can reach out from the details that will follow. Have a great day.